Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Al Amin in front of you. Now I am going to be a picture description. This is a picture. I can see there are many students on this picture. Now I would like to say something about this picture. First of all, I can see there is a teacher. She is standing with a student. She wearing a blue coat, and he holding a green color green color green color right book, and she talking with a student. She look like happy, and her hair color is brown. And in front of the teacher there is a student. She is talking with his teacher. She look like happy and beautiful, and he has a black color hair, and he holding a blue color book. Behind the student there are three students. They are talking with them. They are look like happy. And first student, I can see says something about him. She wearing blue purple color dress and blue color pant, and matching purple color shoes. And he has a brown color hair, and she wearing a sunglass. And middle of the boys, he look like happy. He has black color hair and blue color, and he wearing blue color t-shirt. And behind the boys there is a girl. She look like happy. She has yellow color hair, and brown color dresses he wearing. And I can see middle of the picture, there are four students. They are busy with them. First of all, I can see corner of the picture there is a boy. She is cutting some papers, and she look like happy and beautiful. He is writing a she's writing a picture. He look like happy. He has brown color hair, and he wearing a blue color t-shirt, and green color pant. Thank you listening me carefully.